Namaste, how are you doing? So, so we'll learn a bit of symbolism today. So I'll just draw a star. So this is a star. It is comprised of two triangles, and this is human body, and we can imagine a star here. Okay. So if you break this stars into two triangles, you get the Holy Trinity. Here we have the good, the beautiful, and truth. And here we have the evil, the lies, and ugly. Okay. So according to Hindu traditions, it is considered that the top part of the body is holy and the bottom part is unholy. So if you go to an Indian temple, they will ask the men to go topless. Women are supposed to fully covered, and to cover your bottom part. So why is it that important? Like, what is there in the top portion of the human body? So the the navel of human body is considered the center. That's where the soul enters your body when you are in the womb of your mother. So in life, if you see, we have two options. Either we can go up or we can go below. So if you chosen this path of good, beautiful, and truth, you go higher, higher. From this navel you reach your heart, and from heart you reach your mind or your third eye. That's when you get the divine knowledge. But they can also go below. From your navel to below is your genitals. Like, you will be busy in all these sensory pleasures, busy with the like sex, or experience everything food, and you're stuck in the matrix. But if you rise above, you can go to a level where a normal man has not reached, and this is the secret to unlocking your brain, its psychic powers, and everything. So just wanted to share with this, and this is what I feel intuitively. Like, forget the books. So when you see a star, what does it mean to you? So let me know. Thank you. Have a nice day.